Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video of Let's Talk About It. So in the last video of Let's Talk About It, I spoke about my top 10 favorite motivational quotes. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it up here so you can go and watch it. And in today's video, I'm going to talk about self-motivation. So I'm planning to make more such videos in future on these topics, and ये सब मैंने Google से छापा नहीं है. These are the things that I practice in my daily life and I thought it would be good to share it with you guys. So what is self-motivation and why is it so important? Well, self-motivation is when you are driven by this force to do something and or to complete a certain task. वो कहते हैं ना कुछ करने का जज्बा. Now, self-motivation is an important skill that we all need to practice in our daily life, and especially in today's age, there is nobody to motivate us all the time. So we need to be able to motivate ourselves. अभी ये जो self-motivation है ये market में या Amazon में तो नहीं मिलता. So उसको पैदा कैसे करें, and how do you go about practicing this self-motivation? And that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. So 10 ways to motivate yourself. Let's talk about it. This is the most basic and most important step that you need to take towards self-motivation. अभी आज के ज़माने में कोई 24/7 नहीं है हमारे बाद अगल बगल में हमें मोटिवेट करने के लिए. So we need to practice to motivate ourselves. अभी बच्चा चलना कैसे सीखता है? ऑब्वियसली माँ बाप का हाथ पकड़ के तो वो चलना सीखेगा नहीं. सो दे हैव टू लीव हिज हैंड, ओनली देन विल दैट चाइल्ड बी एबल टू वॉक, राइट? So you cannot be depending on people for motivation all the time 24/7. You need, the first step that you need to take to motivate yourself is to stop depending on people and start, and that's when you will learn to start motivating yourself. Now we all get criticisms at one point or the other, it may be positive or it may be negative. Now for example, मैंने एक YouTube वीडियो बनाया और उस वीडियो पे 10 व्यू आए, ठीक है, और 6 लोगों ने उस वीडियो को लाइक किया और 4 लोगों ने उस वीडियो को डिसलाइक किया और कमेंट सेक्शन में मुझे एकदम भला बुरा बोला है. And those 6 people have praised me for my work and they have given me some positive criticisms on which I can improve my video. So instead of focusing on those 6 people who have positively criticized me and praised me for my work, I will focus on those 4 people who have negatively criticized me, जिन लोगों ने मुझे बहुत ही बुरा भला बोला कमेंट सेक्शन में. And because of this, my self-esteem, my self-confidence goes down and it deteriorates. तो मुझे ऐसे लगेगा यार मुझे वीडियो बनाना ही नहीं चाहिए, छोड़ो मैं चैनल ही बंद कर देती हूँ. What I'm trying to say is that take what you need. You don't need those negative criticisms for your self-esteem to be drained over and over again. Take what you need, absorb what you need, and let go of the rest. Now, you cannot shut the mouths of every individual, right? जिसका मुंह है वो बोलेगा. So filter your mind, take in the positive things that you need to grow and to develop, and let go of all those negative things. This is what I practice on a daily basis, and this is very important to me because the first thing I do after waking up is praying and spending time with God. So every time, most of the times when I am down and when I am feeling very depressed and very low, I pray and I spend time with God and I read the Bible and I talk to God about my problems. And when I come out of my prayer closet, I feel so refreshed and rejuvenated once again. So meditation gives me this inner peace, and it refreshes me and it helps me to focus better on my tasks and whatever I have to do in the day. This is something that I really, really struggled in the past with, and I had to really work on it. Now I'll give you an example of my life only. Now this was in 2015 or 16 or something, and we used to have these jam room sessions where all the musicians would come together and practice for the church choir. It's called worship team, okay? So we would practice for the worship team, and I didn't really know to sing back then very well. I didn't even like singing, to be honest. I just went there because I had to go, because I was a part of it, obviously. And every time I would go there, I would encounter these amazing singers. और मेरा जो सेल्फ एस्टीम था वो मतलब रूम टेम्परेचर से भी नीचे गिरता था. And I used to feel so disgusted about myself. I used to feel like a loser, मन करता था कि I would just run away from that room. And this is something I really, really struggled with a lot in my life. Until I came to a point of realization that यार मेरा जो competition है वो इन लोगों से नहीं है, मेरा competition खुद से है. And even when I started learning singing, I used to look up to Adele and Taylor Swift and Beyonce, and I used to try to sing like them, and I would never be able to sing like them, and I would get so discouraged and so disheartened. But then I realized that these people, to reach that level, they have obviously trained themselves and they have obviously worked hard to reach that level. Now, if I want to go from level 1 to level 100, I cannot directly jump, right? I have to pass all those intermediate levels. In the same way, I have to take one step at a time and work on myself and make progress slowly and daily. And sometimes because of this competition, we tend to compare ourselves to people. And I spoke about this in the last video also, that our competition should be with ourselves and not with anybody else. So if you want to compete, I'm not saying competition is bad. A healthy competition is great because it motivates us and pushes us to do things. But sometimes when that competition moves to comparison and we start comparing our capabilities to that person's capabilities, we tend to doubt ourselves and doubt our capabilities, and our self-esteem drops as well, and we get so demotivated. So you need to learn to understand that your competition is not with other people. Your competition is with yourself, because if you want to grow as an individual, you obviously have to focus on yourself and on your self growth rather than comparing yourself with somebody else's capabilities. Well, we need to accept our failures and work on it. And I will give an example from my life itself. Now, before 2020, I never knew to play any instrument. Although I did have a keyboard since like 2011 or 12, and I did try to attempt to play it, but I always give up, So the first time मैंने जब भी keyboard सीखना चालू किया, I obviously had a tutor come in, but then because of submissions and stuff, college, I got busy with that and I had to quit. So later on, I tried to do it by myself. So I tried to see a few YouTube videos and practice it by myself. और मुझे कुछ भी समझ में नहीं आया, मुझे इतना गुस्सा आया, I literally banged the keyboard and my mother came running. She's like, क्या हुआ? I'm like, मुझे नहीं सीखना, and I gave up. Okay, then the next time when I tried to learn it, again it was very difficult for me and I gave up again. The third time when I tried to learn, I searched through many videos and then I found some tutorials in which I started learning. Obviously the first week was very difficult for me. I just didn't learn it by myself, and now I can play at least the basic, beginner level. So even though I failed many times and I gave up, but I learned to face my failures, because sometimes we fail and we be like, okay, I'm not going to try this again, this is not for me. But we need to know that we are humans, we are not robots, okay, to get things perfect in the first attempt itself. Now last week मैंने Edison का example दिया था, that he, after 1,000 attempts, he was successful in making the light bulb. Just imagine at the 50th attempt he would have said that I'm giving up, मुझे नहीं करना, मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है. We wouldn't have had a light bulb today. This is what I told in the last video. And in the same way, we need to keep trying, we need to keep pursuing. Now I'll give you another example. Now there's this mountain and I want to go to the top of the mountain. So there are two ways in which I can reach. एक तो मैं खुद ही चढ़ के जाऊँ और दूसरा मैं हेलीकॉप्टर में बैठ के माउंटेन के पीक पे उतरूँ. Obviously the second way is easy. I just have to sit in the helicopter and get down. But when I myself climb that mountain, I get an experience of how to climb a mountain, you know, then so the next time I am climbing a mountain, I will know that यार ये रास्ते से नहीं जाना चाहिए, ऐसे जाना चाहिए यार. I need these things, these essential things to carry with me when I'm hiking up the mountain. जब भी मैं अपने failures को face कर रही हूँ, I'm also learning in that process. I'm not just, you know, stagnant in one place. I am growing. Maybe it may be a small growth, but I am growing. So learn to face your failures and learn to work on your failures. Now there are many things in our life that we fear, and you know, instead of facing those fears, we tend to run away from it and we are not ready to encounter our fears. Now I'll give you another example of my life. Now why am I telling you these personal stories is because you try to understand what I'm trying to say. So when I wanted to start my YouTube channel, I told this person that, you know, I have this dream and I have this vision of starting a YouTube channel and this is what I want to do. That person told me that, you know, तू क्यों कर रही है YouTube channel, कोई नहीं देखेगा तेरे videos and people don't really have the time, you're just wasting your time on this nonsense. So suddenly, you know, these thoughts came in my head that what would happen if the channel is a fail, you know, what would happen if people don't see the channel. You see, there is a vision and there is a fear of that vision going wrong. But then I put my foot down. I'm like, यार ठीक है, कोई नहीं देखेगा मेरे videos, मैं खुद देखूंगी and I'll do it for myself, not for anybody. And you know, that's how I started my YouTube channel. So what I'm trying to say is, sometimes you need to take that leap of faith, you need to take risks in your life and you need to face your fears, because unless you do these things, you will not be able to motivate yourself. And when you conquer your fear and your failure, you know, you yourself will be motivated and you will not need any motivation from anybody. Now sometimes what we tend to do is we have these big huge goals in our life. Now I'm not saying having big goals is the wrong thing. Of course it's amazing. But to reach those goals, we obviously need to go step by step. Now if I want to go from the ground floor to the first floor, I obviously have to climb a flight of stairs. I have to go one step at a time. I cannot directly jump from ground floor to first floor, right? In the same way, make small goals, work on those goals, achieve those goals, and treat yourself when you achieve those goals. You yourself will feel good about yourself. So take up new challenges continuously, you know, small challenges, and work on those challenges and conquer those challenges, and that will motivate you to work better and do better towards your goal in future. It's very important for an individual to mark their progress and to keep a track of their progress and to keep reminding themselves of how far they have reached. Now, for example, if I'm climbing a mountain, I have climbed 40% and I have 60% to go to reach the mountain peak, right? So instead of focusing on the 40% that I have already climbed, I will look ahead and see, अरे यार 60% है चढ़ने का, कैसे होगा? And then I will start doubting myself. I will start getting fearful. So it's very important to keep reminding yourself of how far you have come. Now these are the mental things that I practice for self-motivation. Now what are the physical things that I can practice? So step number 9 is outdoor activities. So whenever I'm doing a task and I feel low or demotivated, I take a break from that task and I do something else that I like. So be it singing or listening to music or painting or dancing, do whatever you like and then come back to that task. You will come back with a refreshed mind with new ideas and new thoughts. And you will be motivated to do better in that task. There are so many videos out there on YouTube as well, you know, where people have spoken about their life experiences and how they have struggled, they have worked hard and they have pursued, or listen to music which has a motivational message. That's what I do and what I practice in my daily life. Another important thing. So guys, these are the 10 things that I practice to motivate myself. I hope you like this video and this video has inspired you on some level. Let me know down in the comment section how you like this video. I tell you to comment because फिर मुझे पता चलता है कि आपको किस टाइप के वीडियोस पसंद आते हैं and I can work on those videos. So if you like it, press the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And I will see you next week with another brand new video. Till then, bye bye.